Hi, I'm Lewis. I'm a B2 Avionics Engineer and I've worked for easyJet for 2 years. Here at Gatwick we have a large fleet, so we see a really broad range of problems. In the hangar at the moment we've got modification programs coming through where we're installing power supplies for iPads and the flight deck. In the past we've retrofitted FOMAX systems, which is a flight operations maintenance exchanger that allows lots of data transfer. We rectify problems that are identified by the crew and by our predictive maintenance systems. I've used the staff benefits at easyJet to get discounts on electronics. There's quite a broad range of products you can get discounts on. I've recently used staff travel to go to Italy, which I really enjoyed because the food's fantastic. I feel like I've made the right choice coming to easyJet. I feel like I could stay for a long time. I've worked for other airlines. I came to easyJet because it was local to where I live, but having started here, it's a great team of people where everyone gets along really well and everyone's input's appreciated.